The mold is like a money printing machine. You give him a piece of paper. He can print a bunch of money for you. And injection molding is like a mint. You give him a lump of mud. He can make a bunch of money for you. We have produced 10,000 British injection molded parts. We have the following advantages. First, the price is reasonable and the quality is stable. Second, focus on European and American molds and injection molding. Third, 7-24 hours fast response. Special personnel to follow up on project solutions and communicate effectively. If you need to find a reliable mold and injection molding supplier, please contact me.